Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be organizing the bathroom cabinet behind me. This camera keeps falling and it just needs a little revamping. It's not terribly unorganized, but I picked up these organizers off Amazon for like $25. They're really pretty. I'll put up a picture on the screen. So we're going to put them together and we're going to rework everything and see if we can get it looking a little bit better. So here's the before shot. You can see that it's not unorganized. I'm just hoping to get it to look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. I brought these from my other house. I just feel like it's not the best use of space and I think it'll look a lot cleaner. So I am hoping this works out. So again, here's the before. So the brand I believe is called Delamu. This is the 2-tier pull-out cabinet organizer and let's pull them out of the box. So I like that they were white and clear because the ones that I have now are actually like black and I spray painted them. I think that they're about a foot long, so they don't look terribly big. I kind of wish that they were the depth of my cabinet, but it's only like $29, between $25 and $29, so I can't complain. So it comes with everything that you need and a little direction sheet, so it should be pretty easy to put together, let's hope. So that's everything for the clear portion, and then these are the bases. It comes in a set of 2. This only took me a few minutes to put together. The directions were super simple. So it comes with the base tray, the poles that you're seeing, a top tray, and then the actual little slider, the plastic slider where you put all the products on. And then it also comes with little feet that you put on the bottom so that it doesn't slip and slide around. The organizers are actually 2 different sizes. So there's a shorter one and a taller one, which I didn't realize when I ordered it, but I think it works out great because some of the products that I have are super tall and then the skincare items that you see here are shorter. So I decided to put the skincare on top and then the perfume on the bottom, and everything fit and it worked out great. I'm super happy with this. This is some of my perfume. I also have another little tray that I use like more every day and I keep that in my closet. One side is done and look at that difference. I think it looks great. This side is going to be very challenging. I feel like there's a lot more, but like I said, I can always order one more of these so I can stack it a little bit higher. So I'm going to go through, maybe some of this stuff needs to be decluttered, but we're going to see how far we can get with just using these 2. And then of course I have little hooks on the walls for like hair ties and headbands and stuff. So I'm just gonna leave those there for now. I'm gonna put it off the wall a little bit just to make some room. Some of these headbands I don't even really wear. So I have to figure out, like the tanning stuff obviously is super tall, but so is the hair stuff. This is gonna be trickier than I thought, so I'm gonna have to put some of this stuff all together. So maybe we'll just do like rows, like tanning stuff, hair stuff. This bottle's really tall. Stick that in the back here. I never do my hair curly, so I don't know if I just want to declutter these, but then I feel like when I'm gonna need it, I'm not gonna have it. This is my absolute favorite. I can always tuck the tanning mitts like right here on the side. I think that will look pretty good. Stick this all the way in the back since I never use it. So I was wrong. All this stuff is definitely gonna fix. I forgot this lotion. This is great for like, if you like magnesium, to put it on your body. I do it like after the shower before bed. And I don't know if it really works, but I feel like it does. It's doing something, like it's soothing and calming and relaxing, but I've really been enjoying it. This is so big and bulky. I think I'm gonna put it all the way in the back. You know what? I'm just gonna take it out of the box instead. This is a really good self-tan. I've done a ton of tanning videos on all these products, so I'll put it up in the cards. I really like this one because it doesn't smell. Like, you're not gonna get super dark. I find that the darkest is definitely the Loving Tan, And I like to mix the Loving Tan with the Saint Tropez. If you guys have seen my videos, you know that. The Bondi Sands is pretty good. I can't remember exactly what I don't want to say my complaint, but I felt like it was a little bit maybe drying. I can't remember. I'll put the video up above because I don't want to botch what I even said because I'm just not remembering. But Saint Tropez and Loving Tan are still my favorite self-tanners. I was told that I need to try the Bondi Sands Arrow, I think it's called. So maybe if I try that, I'll like it better. So I just have a bunch of tanning mitts now that I need to do something with. One for like every brand. All right, I'm gonna tuck them all the way in the back. It looks a little bit better. It was annoying me looking at it right there. So this can go. This is garbage now. So I still have all of these hair products. They're smaller, so I don't know if I should put them like on the top or on the bottom. Body lotion. Just samples. All those brushes I use for tanning, so I'm gonna leave them. This I need to use. A couple of hair oils and things. And then I forgot, I have my gel. Love this. I reach for this stuff all the time. I have a nail polish remover, Nair, which I never use. Maybe I'll put this stuff in the back so it's not so big and up front. Hair clips, which I never even use those. Okay, so we got rid of this container, this little spinny thing. Still have room for my makeup brushes, which I'm gonna put right in the middle there. Okay, so I love this. I think it looks so much cleaner. I just realized that the right side is a lot taller than the left side. So I'm definitely gonna buy another one of this size so then I can always add a row if needed. But I love this. I feel like it looks like I have so much more room. It doesn't look overcrowded, and I just love the white with the clear. What do you guys think? So I totally forgot to mention, it does come with little dividers. If you want it to be like dividing skincare and say like your perfumes or your makeup or whatever. So it comes with 4 different dividers for each set if you wanted to divide things out, and it's really simple. You just slip them in like so, and you just push down and it goes in the middle. I don't need them in this situation, but I figured I'd mention them since I forgot. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will link to my organization playlist down below if you want to check them out, as well as the tanning videos I mentioned. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.